For decades, TürkTraktör has powered industry, agriculture, and progress. Today, operational excellence means more than production performance. It means protecting every person on site. In complex industrial environments, the biggest risks are often the ones we cannot see. AI-powered vision and connected safety technologies help make these risks visible in real time. Through intelligent alerts and controlled speed response, operators gain critical awareness in high-risk situations. From gate crossings to shared vehicle pedestrian zones, connected safety infrastructure supports safer movement across operations. In distraction-prone environments, real-time visual alerts help workers recognize danger instantly. For employees working alone, connected wearable safety technologies can trigger emergency alerts and support faster response when seconds matter most. With better visibility and continuous risk awareness, near-miss events are reduced. Workplace incidents decrease, and people return home safely every day. Behind every reduced risk, there is a person, a family, a future protected. And by recognizing safe behaviors, organizations help build a culture where safety is owned by everyone.